Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to complete Stormterror's Lair full guide. Start at the waypoint immediately, clear all mobs around the entrance, and inspect wind crystals to unlock paths. Use a ranged character to trigger distant mechanisms, and switch to a heavy hitter for armored foes. Keep stamina and healing items ready for the climb, and watch altitude markers to avoid falling sections. We'll break down each phase step by step so you never get lost. Approach puzzle rooms calmly and scan the area for wind pillars, altars, and glowing mechanisms before acting. Prioritize ranged triggers and avoid unnecessary combat that could reset puzzle timers or spawn extra enemies. Rotate party members to handle elemental locks while preserving stamina for platforming sections. If a pillar fails, retrace steps to find overlooked switches or pressure plates. Follow this measured approach and puzzles will resolve faster with fewer mistakes. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content like this. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it simple to tidy while you play. It keeps your room clear so cables and loot drops stay visible, which helps when organizing inventory after runs. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Prepare your team with at least one healer and one shielder before engaging the boss to reduce interruptions during the fight. Aim for elemental resonance, combos that exploit Stormterror's current weakness, and stagger the boss to create windows for high damage. Maintain mobility to avoid wing sweeps and avoid staying under the boss during dive attacks. Rotate cooldowns strategically and heal between phases to preserve resources for the final burst.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.